Gaming here. Today I'm doing a video where it's a vlog actually. We found a little tiny bird. I found it over there in that tree. Right over there.
Do you want to go see it? Because it's all wrecked?
Yeah, because the nest was wrecked, but hold on. So, yeah. Let's do this.
Let's go see the tree that it got wrecked. No, let's quickly go see the tree.
Alright, no, come here. So,
no, we're going to quickly go see the tree.
Let's go see the tree.
This is our other tree. Oh, what's that mean?
Oh, blah, blah, blah. Doesn't matter. Come on. Just keep on recording. Airport manager, stop. I don't understand.
So,
this is the tree that was actually wrecked because something attacked them.
Yeah. And show us.
The nest was here, and the bird that I got out, I picked out the destroyed nest. Boss, do not go near the nest.
No, you mean do not go near the bird.
Well, yeah. Sorry to put the camera there. All right, so when I picked the bird up, face the camera to me. Face it to me. So when I actually picked the bird up, it had dead. It was dead. Had bugs all over it. And I started patting it, and I don't know why, but I pushed it on the chest a bit, and it came back to life. Don't know how that works, but yeah.
So practically done CPR on it.
I am Attack on Titan character, anime.
Okay.
Alright, so yeah. This is actually the bird's nest that I created for it.
Baby.
And yes, it's still alive. It's a pigeon. How you doing, little baby?
Sorry.
Yes, my sister's in the video. And yeah, she's the one with the painted nails. How you doing, baby? Well, we're not going to pick it up. This is vlog number 1.
We're going to do number 2 later.
Yeah, we're going to do number 2 tomorrow.
Our dog nearly attacked it. And guys, guess what? Tomorrow is Halloween.
What you doing scratching the ground, little boy? By the way, yeah, his name is Fluffer.
Tomorrow is Halloween, and we still have this birdie. All the birds that Dom has had.
I've actually saved a lot of birds in my life.
Yeah. And
we also fed him a worm, but hold on a sec.
The last time we had a bird, I found it. Buck was trying to attack it in the prickles. I tried picking it up, but it pecked. I was so scared.
Anyways, guys, I hope you liked the video. Tom Duck Gaming out. The next vlog will be tomorrow, so like and subscribe. We're almost at 200, by the way. We've only got 179 to 182 subscribers so far.
Guys, if you get to 108 subscribers on this
80
subscribers on this video, then we'll do
a second video tomorrow, which we're doing anyways, hopefully.
And we'll do more videos about the bird, telling you about it, if it dies or not, and if it dies, we will totally give it a funeral, and we will let you know, and we will let you see the funeral. So, Dom Duck Gaming out. Bye, guys.
I meant to say that part, little girl. Yeah, Dom Duck Gaming out. Bye, guys.